remember a time after my last girlfriend broke up with me. So we're talking, I think it's been 3 or 4 years now. Um, when she broke up with me, I remember, dude, because I was going through heartbreak, I didn't know. Like, I've always been good with women, but like, because I was so fixated on my ex girlfriend, and I was in a relationship with her for over a year, she was hot. I didn't go out of my way to talk to women like I do now. So I was like, what do I do? Maybe I should just wait till I feel better. Like, once I get past this heartbreak, then I'm going to be ready to do it. So I pay attention to this. I use that example to try to relate to you. If you're in a situation, and that could be any situation, where you feel like you need to wait for the right time, the perfect opportunity to develop social skills, to meet people, to talk to women, I'm here to tell you, the longer you wait, the harder it's gonna fucking get on, like, it's gonna, and I mean this not necessarily that talking to people is gonna get harder, but it's gonna weigh on your conscience. You want to, but you keep putting it off. So what's more important to you? Constantly dealing with this fucking agonizing whatever, like, feeling because you're single and you're beaten off alone every single night, or learning how to go and socialize, how to talk to strangers, how to meet women. I'm here to tell you, brother, it's not difficult, but anything new is going to be uncomfortable. Your brain is literally going to stop you from fucking talking to random people, because from an evolutionary perspective, that the amygdala has not caught up with modern day society, where we can go and fuck another dude's girl and not die. Well, I mean, depending on who it is, you might. But that's why you do that. So we have to look at developing social skills as like a necessity in life. Everything that you want in life, health, wealth, love, has to be acquired from somebody else, minus working out. Okay, you can work out on your own, but supplements, steroids, gyms, well, I guess gym you could have your own, but somebody else can get that for you. Somebody else has those, and we need to acquire those resources. Women, we want to talk to girls so we can acquire a lover. And then as far as socializing goes, networking, making money goes, well, somebody's got to give you money. And if you don't know how to talk to people, how the fuck are you going to get that money? I mean, you could sell like an e-com store and never talk to anybody. But I mean, if you work like sales, if you have a call funnel like I do, you sell higher ticket products because you want to get rich as fuck, you got to learn how to talk to people. Sales is the closest, like if you're in sales, well, then you likely will have a better time talking to women, just because we buy, like in sales, ideally we want to make the person feel pain and then offer a bridge to fix that. Because if people do more to avoid pain than they will to gain pleasure. So by you constantly waiting to feel ready for your social skills, you're going to be in constant pain, and you're going to look for things like this video on what to do to fix that. So let's talk. I have 6 steps that every single one of my clients goes through. When you join one of my programs, so it's one-on-one for US and Canada clients only, or the self-paced program, it's the exact same thing. You get weekly group calls instead of getting my one-on-one personal time. That's a link down below if you want to book your time to speak with me, see if it works for you. Let's talk. But we get a 1-hour onboarding call on every one of these. Now I go through 6 different steps. Step 1 is where you need to start. And most guys that I talk to, like if you've ever heard this or if you've done this, when I talk to women, I get in my head. I don't know what to say. It's like anytime I talk to a girl that I like, it's always a big fucking deal. You're placing her on a pedestal. That tells me that you don't have a lot of experience when it comes to talking to women. You need to be thinking you are better than her, because as a man, it's women or children look up to women look up to men look up to Jesus looks up to God. There's a hierarchy there. You can even, you can be atheist and argue that all you want. That's fine. But women want to look up to their men. That one is hard to argue. Even in modern day society with feminism, they still want a man that can lead them. It's in their nature to be commanded by men. That'll piss some girls off, especially the ones on the left. So, the 6-step process is meeting people all the way up to getting this girl's phone number and then going on a date with her. Step 1 is what you need to focus on. Step 1 is saying hi to random strangers. And then step 2 would be complimenting women. And I believe step 3 is stopping these women. Step 4 is having a conversation. And then step 5 is asking for the number. Step number 1, I just remember that. Step number 1, I guess there's only 5 steps, but step 1, I have to fix your mindset first. Because again, if you look at what I just said, all of these guys are telling me that, and I'm speaking broadly here, that when they talk to women, it's a big deal. So I have to get you thinking like I do. And listen, I'm in a wheelchair and I think I'm the fucking shit. There's not a single person in this world that's cooler than me. There's just not. So when you think that way, when you love yourself that much, well, talking to people just becomes easy now. So you got to gas yourself up before you go out. Make sure you're in a good mood. Now, but going back to this, to develop the skills, if talking to women is a big deal, that's because you're placing too much out. You want something. You want something from that girl. So you have an outcome. I want that number. I want to go on a date with this girl. So you're placing way too much pressure on yourself. You have to condition yourself over time to be able to work your way up to that, so where you can talk to women and it's not a big deal. Step 1 is how you do that, okay? When you go somewhere in public, it could be literally anywhere. You hear me? Anywhere where there is people. That is your time to practice socializing. I tell people 20 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. You got to work on the skills somehow. If you don't do that, you're never going to get better. So, you don't have to go out of your way. I'm not asking you to go to a fucking club on Fridays. I don't. If you go to the grocery store, guess what? Well, 20 or 30 minutes could happen right then and there. If you go to the gym and you like talking to people at the gym, well, that you're likely going to be there for at least an hour. Okay, fucking start talking to people there. You go to a bookstore, you go to the mall, go to Target, you go to Walmart. Everywhere you go with people is an opportunity to work that 20 to 30 minute time frame. Now, I want you guys getting in the habit of saying hi, good morning, good afternoon, how are you, to every single person that you see, even if it is a hot girl. Why, Mitchell? Well, because when you do this, you're conditioning your brain. Hey, Mitchell's right. I say something to this person, anything, 9 times out of 10, if I say it with a smile and in a positive mood, they're going to respond back pretty positively. And then, of course, 1 time out of 10, there's going to be that guy, that girl, that person, whatever, that just kind of ignores you, brushes you off, and maybe they did something that's fucking rude, and then I kind of just laugh and call that out. I remember recently there was a girl, I was like, ladies, how are y'all? And they ignored me. I was like, that's fucking rude. And I went on my way. But I was having a time of my life there. Okay? That's step 1. That's how you can get to I can't teach you social skills. I can't teach you how to tell if a girl likes you or not if you don't even have the ability to talk to anybody in the first place. That's why step 1 is there. You might want to start with women, but buddy, if you don't have the ability to talk to a fucking old man or an older woman, for example, just randomly, you're not going to be able to talk to a 23-year-old that you just found that you think's hot. No way, dude. That girl's you. Oh my God. I want to, what do I do? You're not going to be able to do it. You have to start off by their social skills are a warm up. You can't just go for the 10 out of 10. You're going to fuck up. You're going to get in your head. If you just go out, go somewhere, tell yourself, you know what, I'm going to talk to people. I'm going to say hi to people. You're going to go out. You're going to do it. It's going to be hard at first. You're going to feel this like, it's like a wall. Something's just stopping you from going. But once you just open up your mouth, you're bam. Guys, hey, how are you? 1. And then you do it again. Hey, good morning. You do it again. 3. God, wow, you look amazing. It just gets fucking easier from there. And then when you see some girls, ladies, what's up, man? Wow, you both look like a fun time, but also like trouble. Like, I bet if I took you two out, both of you, we would have a good time, but at the end of the night, you would try to fight somebody and then we would get arrested. That's the vibe I'm getting. And then if the girls like you, they're going to, oh my God, hee. They're going to be playful. And if they don't like you, well, they just won't respond very well. And that's fine. Whatever. Move on. That is how to develop social skills. If you want my help personally learning how to do this, if you're in the US and Canada, you can work with me one-on-one for 8 weeks. There's a link in the description. If you're anywhere else or you don't want the one-on-one, you can join the self-paced program. It's the exact same thing. You get the weekly group coaching calls with me. However, my one-on-one clients get my time personally for an hour every week. So if you want that, you have to talk to me on the phone. I'm not going to let you into the program if I don't think I can help you. My reputation matters. Click the link in the description. Book a time to speak with me. Otherwise, check out one of these 2 videos right here. Hey, see you in the next one.